If your Netflix account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review the restriction notice. Check your email or Netflix account notifications for any messages explaining the reason for the restriction. Understanding the cause will help you address it in your appeal. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect any relevant information related to your account, such as your account details, the date of the restriction, and any previous communications with Netflix. This will support your appeal. Step 3. Visit the Netflix Help Center. Go to the Netflix Help Center on their website. Look for the section on account restrictions or appeals, which will provide guidance on how to proceed with your case. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Follow the instructions provided in the Help Center to submit your appeal. This may involve filling out a form or sending an email detailing your situation and why you believe the restrictions should be lifted. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for Netflix to review your case. They will typically respond via email, so keep an eye on your inbox for their decision. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction on Netflix. Good luck!